channel where we teach you math. Smash those like and subscribe buttons and let's get started. Today we're going to learn how to divide decimals, okay? And here we have our questions on the left hand side and our work is right on the right hand side. So let's get started. 9 divided by 4 is how many times?
I have a question.
Yeah, what?
How do we divide decimals?
So you basically divide it, it's just
the decimal points?
Yeah, there's just decimal points. You divide it normally.
Oh, okay.
But keep that in mind that this decimal point should always be above. So we'll always put a decimal point above, okay?
Okay.
So where was this? I'll just put a decimal point in all of them, okay? Because it's supposed to be like that, and you can't just mess it up, okay? Okay, now roll 4 go into 9.
Yeah, 2 times.
Okay, there's like 2 right here. 4 times 2 is?
8.
And subtract, you get 1. And bring down the 6.
4.
Yeah. And there is 4. So our answer is?
2.4.
Correct. Okay, next one. Does 6 go into 5?
No.
Does 6 go into 54?
Yeah.
How many times?
9.
Good job. So it's 9. And does 6 go into, oh wait, let's write our thing. 54. Okay. 0. Bring down the 1. It's still 0, so we add a 0 here. Then bring down
That's
the
going to be
other
a 2,
one.
right?
Yeah, so it's 9.02, right?
Yep, so the answer is 9.02. I feel like all of them are going to have 2s in it. I just have a feeling.
Okay, move on. Does 8 go into 6?
No.
Does 8 go into 65?
Yes.
How many times?
5?
No, it's 8 times 8 is 64, right? So 8 times 8, 64. We get a 1, and then we bring down the 4. What do we have?
2. No, 1.
Okay. So it's 8, and then what do we get? 8 plus 6, right? 14.
Yeah.
Okay, let's add another 0.
It's going to be a 7.
Times 7 is?
56.
And
4.
we have a 4. And our 0. We bring
5.
down another 0.
5.
Sure. 8.175. Okay? Let's go on to the next one.
Why did you add zeros? In the normal one, you don't add zeros.
That's because we still had leftovers, right?
So we cannot have leftovers in decimals?
Yeah.
Oh.
Unless it just goes on further. Then you just leave it and then you estimate. Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, 2 goes into 5 how many times?
2 times.
Nice. 2 times 2 is?
4.
And we get
1.
Let's bring down our 8. What do we have?
6. No, 8.
No, it's 9. 9 times 2 is?
Oh, yeah. 18.
Yeah. Okay, next one. Wait, just...
Oh, dang it, I lost. This one does not have 2.
Yeah, okay, 8 goes into 9 how many times? 1 time, right?
What? No.
8 goes into 9 1 time.
It can't go into 9.
It can.
Oh, yeah.
See?
Oh, yeah.
Okay, so we have a 1, and then we bring down the 6,
Okay.
we have a 2, and subtracted with 16,
So that's a 0.
so we have a 0, and then bring down the 4,
It's going to be a 0.
it's still going to be a 0. So we bring down another 0.
5. 5.
And we're done.
Wait,
It's
there's
12.65.
one more.
Yeah, I'm just saying we're done with this one. 12.65 is our answer, right?
No. That's supposed to be a 0.
Yeah. Looks like a 6. Better? Yeah. Okay, 5 goes into 1, doesn't. So 5 goes into 18 how many times?
3 times.
Correct. 2, and 3. That can't happen, so bring down 7. Are you sure? 7 times 5 is 35.
Yeah.
Yep. Okay, 35. Then 1, bring down
5. And that's a 3.
So our answer is 3.73, right?
Yep.
Let's use another color to put it all here. So 2.4. And then we have right here. 9.02. And then this one's gonna be
8.175.
Oh wait, that's the wrong one. It's this one.
8.175.
Okay, and then 2.9. And then
12.05. 3.73.
And 3.73. And we're done.
Thank you. Bye bye.
Thank you for watching. Smash those like and subscribe buttons and bye.